In today's video, I'm gonna guide you on how you'd be able to fix Telegram only sends message to mutual contact issue. So let's get started. So the first thing is that this is actually a feature on Telegram that doesn't allow just anyone to be able to send a message unless they are mutual contact. But however, if you think that this is really an error by Telegram, then there is a workaround that. So just follow this. First, you want to search for spam info bot as one of the users, and then you should now be able to see this one right here. So you'd want to tap on it. And now from here, you want to tap on start. And from here is that I'm going to go for but I can't message non-contacts right there. And then has your account been limited recently? I'll say no because I didn't receive any notifications about that. And from here, as you can see, it says it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. Such limits are temporary and will soon be removed automatically. So it's suggesting that we just wait it out and try it again later on. And from there, we might be able to send message from that contact again, and we will not have an issue. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.